Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to program a universal remote to a Samsung TV. Please keep watch on this video. For this first step is turn on your Samsung TV. Make sure the TV is powered on. Find the code for Samsung. Check your universal remote manual for Samsung TV codes. Then third, enter the programming mode on the remote. Press and hold the setup button until the indicator light turns on. Enter the Samsung code using the number buttons. Enter the first code from your list. Then test the remote. Press the power button. If the TV turns off, the code is correct. If it doesn't work, try this next code. Repeat the steps using the next code on your list until the TV turns off. Log the code. Finally, test all the functions. Try volume, input menu and other buttons to make sure everything works. Now here I will tell about one more method, that is called how to program universal remote to a Samsung TV, auto code search method. For this first step is turn on your Samsung TV. Make sure the TV is powered on. Next, press and hold the setup button until the indicator lights turn on. Press and release the TV button, then press hold the power button. Keep holding until the TV turns off. As soon as the TV turns off, release the power button and press the setup button. The indicator light will be turned off. Press the power button to turn the TV back on. If the turns on, the remote is programmed. If the TV does not turn on, repeat the auto search. Now test all functions. Try volume, input menu and the other buttons to make sure everything works. Now your universal remote is now programmed to work with your Samsung TV.